Today we're gonna see the current affairs of January 2025 in MCQ format as it is the core of every competitive exam. So make sure you should connect till the end. So the first question is, when did Donald Trump take his second oath as the US president? January 20, 2025, January 20, 2021, January 20, 2017, January 20, 2019. So the correct option is option A, January 20, 2025. Donald Trump took his second oath of office as the US president on January 20, 2025, following his re-election. Which event is held annually in Davos, Switzerland? World Social Forum, World Economic Forum, World Summit on Climate Change, UN Climate Change Conference. The correct option is option B, World Economic Forum. The World Economic Forum annual meeting in Davos is a major global event that brings together political, business, and social leaders to discuss economic issues. Next is, where was the Zedmore Tunnel inaugurated in Jammu and Kashmir? Option A, Srinagar, Jammu, Sonmarg, Pahalgam. No, your correct option is option C, Sonmarg. The Zedmore Tunnel, which is a key infrastructure project aimed at providing all-weather connectivity, was inaugurated near Sonmarg in Jammu and Kashmir. Next question is, what caused a stampede at Venkateshwara Temple in Tirumala? A religious procession, a fire accident, a crowd surge during peak pilgrimage, sudden heavy rainfall. The correct option is option C, a crowd surge during peak pilgrimage. The stampede at the Sri Venkateswara temple in Tirumala occurred due to a crowd surge during the busy pilgrimage season. The next question is, what is the India planning to increase following a policy shift? Export of steel, US oil and gas imports, military spending, education funding. So the correct option is option number B, US oil and gas imports. India plans to increase oil and gas imports from the US following a shift in its energy policy to diversify energy sources. These all are the current affair of January. I'm getting make them in MCQ format that you will easily remember them. Next question is, what challenges India's green energy expansions? International trade policy, land disputes, lack of technology, power shortages. Your correct option is option B, land disputes. Land disputes remains a major obstacle in India push for expanding green energy projects such as solar and wind energy installations. What is India new satellite spectrum policy aiming for? To reduce satellite launches, to attract global players, to improve national security, to launch new satellites. So the correct option is option B, to attract global players. India's new satellite spectrum policy aims to create a conducive environment for global players in the satellite sector, boosting the country position in space technology. What is the reason for the slow adoption of electric vehicles in India? Option A, lack of government incentives, high vehicle cost, inadequate charging infrastructure, poor vehicle performance. The correct option is option C, inadequate charging infrastructure. Despite government efforts, the adoption of electric vehicles in India remains slow due to insufficient charging infrastructure across the whole country. Next question is, what is the India GDP growth projection for the fiscal year of 2024-2025? 8.5%, 7%, 6.4%, 5.2%. So your correct option is option C, 6.4%. India's GDP growth projections for the fiscal year 2024 to 2025 have been lowered to 6.4%, reflecting global economic challenges and domestic factors. And the last question is, where was the first human metapneumovirus? Metapneumovirus, HMPV, was detected in India. Bengaluru, New Delhi, Mumbai, or Chennai? The correct option is option A, Bengaluru. The first case of HMP virus in India was detected in Kerala, marking a significant health concern. Oh, sorry, the last question is about to come, yet about to come. What was what has led to an increase in student suicide in Kota, Rajasthan? Financial instability, pressure from academic expectation, social isolation, unemployment. I know that these all are the important factors, but you have to choose one. As a student recently around 19 Jan or 20 Jan committed suicide in Kota. So yeah, the correct option is option B, pressure from academic expectation. The rise in student suicide in Kota, Rajasthan, is attributed to the intense pressure students face while preparing for competitive exams. That's all for the today's video. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and share with your fellow aspirants as well. So subscribe for the upcoming content as well. Till then, keep learning.